Hey y'all, welcome back to the Artsy Studio. First bit of news is that I left my mic on all night. Second bit of news is that Sean's in an interview in the next room, so that's why I'm whispering. So we gotta be quiet. We're so good at being quiet, right? All the things that we do in here are quiet. So we're good, we're set, right? Also, really quick, look at that little puff. What are you doing, Puff? You just a loaf? Oh, that's really loud. First thing that we're gonna do so quietly is we're gonna fix the Queen of Hearts card, because as far as I could see, 2 of y'all caught it. Thank you so much. The first person that commented it, I was like, in all caps, I was like, you saved my life. Because I didn't realize it until I read that comment, and I literally gasped when I read it. So if you don't know, when you do lettering for tufting, how many times am I going to tell myself this? I, for some reason, like, can't remember this. I do this to myself every single time. But this time, you guys saved me. So, anyway, if you don't know, when you do lettering, like the cues here, you have to flip the image so that to you it's backwards, but on the other side, which is the rug side, is going to be correct. And that's the side that matters. So if I tufted it this way, the rug side would be backwards, and it would be backwards. So it would have been ruined. So yeah, we gotta change that. We gotta fix that. I can just easily flip it. I don't know why I can't, like, get this lodged into my skull. Lettering needs to be flipped. Lettering needs to be flipped. Lettering needs to be flipped. So I'm gonna go get my iPad, and then we're gonna set it up, and we're gonna I think all I'm gonna do is keep everything else the same. I think it would get too muddied if I try to flip the entire image. So I think I'm just gonna redo the cues backwards and leave everything else the same. Okay, so I went and grabbed my iPad, I went and grabbed my iPad, and I was like flipping the cues. And when I originally drew this, I was like, there's something wrong with it. There's not something wrong, but like something off about it. Something isn't right. And then I was like, whatever, I don't care. I like how it looks. And then I realized while I was fixing the cues here that deck, like cards, like a Queen of Hearts card or whatever, usually has like the picture, like the queen, is up and upside down. So like both sides are upside down, and the cues aren't both facing one direction. One is up where she's facing, and the other is like where she's facing as well. Does that make sense? Anyway, so I kind of redid it a little bit, and now it's making sense to me. Doesn't this look so much better? It makes so much more sense. I was like, there's something like off about the picture in the middle, and that's what it was. It was that there's supposed to be 2 versions of the same picture, but they're supposed to be like mirror. That's the phrase. They're mirroring each other, so both sides of the card are supposed to mirror each other. Anyway, so now, I know I said we weren't going to redraw the entire card, but I think I'm gonna put my projector back on my tripod. I don't know if you can see how, yeah, that looks, that looks insane. Oh my god. Look at that. You know what? I can see it. I can see it. It's gonna be fine. You know what's so weird is like when you are in a situation that maybe you feel a certain way about it, like unhappy about it or like stressed about it or whatever, and then you find like you kind of get out of that situation, and then you go to delete clips from your camera because your camera is full, like your memory card is full, and then you see videos from when you were in that really cold garage. I was like, oh my God. I don't want to like I don't want to like dramatize it. I just wasn't at my full, my full capacity, my full range of emotion and stuff. I feel like I was when you get out of those situations, you realize what was happening. Do you know what I mean? I feel like that whole time, just not the greatest. And I had to delete clips just now to clear space in my memory card, and it was, look cold in there. I looked cold and I didn't look. Anyway, moving on from that. Something I did just remember is that usually, actually every time I've done a drop, I've done like a preview video that goes up the day before. So, and I haven't filmed that for this one, and tomorrow is the day before. I think I'm gonna film that now, which kind of sucks because I have like all those blue packages there are like the pillows and stuff, so I kind of have them like packaged up. It's fine, but it's good. This is good. Anyway, we're gonna film this right now. Hey y'all, guess what time it is? 2:59 on Sunday, March 10th. 2:59. It's like, oh my God. I was like setting up to do it, and then it's like, oh my God, I don't even have my camera on. Okay, we're ready. Okay, let's see what happens with this drop. Well, I don't know, I'm a little nervous. 7 products were updated successfully. Let's refresh the website. There they all are. There they are. On the web. Somebody got something. Oh, the purple. Oh, you know what I should do? Yep, it's sold out. The purple pillow has sold within 1 minute. Oh, somebody else got something. What was it? The heart skull eyes within 2 minutes. Somebody else got something. Somebody got 2 things? The cloud wall hanging and the peach pillow went together. Oh, that's so exciting. Happens every time. Alright, so at this moment, 4 minutes in, we have the strawberry pillow still available, and then the spiderweb rug and the spider pillow set still available, and the butterfly rug. Hello everyone, it is the next day, and everything has sold besides the butterfly rug at this moment. The only things that are available are the butterfly rug and the spiderweb rug and pillow like set. Everything else has sold, which is pretty special. Y'all really seem to like the smaller things, which now I'm reconsidering all of these large rugs that I drew on here. Honestly, I was considering, I know we've drawn over this Queen of Hearts thing like a million times now, but maybe I won't tuft over that, and we'll save this for the small frame to do some smaller pieces, because I like these other 2 rugs, the cherry one and this like flowery one. But yeah, everything else sold, which is so special and cool. And I'm so grateful for y'all. It's a little ridiculous. It's a little bit ridiculous what y'all do for me, and the level of support. So yeah, I'm really excited to send y'all your pillows and your wall hangings. I have to work on this week. We're gonna work on stamping the paper and the cards and kind of prepping everything and packing everything up, while probably tufting a little bit in between. I wanted to get a little bit of tufting done right now. And then honestly, I was going to take the rest of the day to make a cake or something. I'm going to bake something for Sean because he got the job offer that he really wanted to get, which is so exciting. So I want to make him a cake or something. Don't tell him though. That's a secret. That's why I whispered it. All right, so pinks are done. We're gonna move on to a different color, probably blue, just because that's what I'm feeling next. But we'll probably do that in the next video. Thank y'all again so much for all of your support every time, all the time. Just it's a really cool thing that I am always forever grateful for. The butterfly and the spiderweb spider set are both still available. I will put the link, as usual, it's always down in the description, but the link to my website will be down in the description. Put on my glasses. There we go. It just kind of like completes this like messy look, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. That really helps out my channel. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. I love y'all to absolute death. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.